let's learn how you can cancel your Zoom subscription. So I will show you this tutorial from web browser. So you can just visit zoom.com official website. When you do that, log in and this will be a button for my account. So click here and it will lead you to your profile. Now on this side, you will have to go to plans and billings and then click on plan management. And here it will appear your plan if you have one. I don't have, but I will post you pictures that will explain you how you can cancel your subscription. So after this video, you will get a few pictures that will show you the exact process how you will cancel your subscription.